Welcome back to Bible Sharps. Today I got some styluses. I got a Yoshi, Foxy glasses that I will be giving to my friend. Or you know what, I'm just gonna keep them because I don't know who to give them to. So, got Foxy glasses. Got this thing. It's like a phone charger and it syncs to stuff. I gotta whisper. So let's start. Starting with Yoshi. That was easy. I got this at Dollar Tree. First off with the Yoshi egg. Da-da-da-da. Yoshi! Yoshi! Yoshi. Got Yoshi. Little Yoshi in his egg. Okay. Now, because I just did. Let me get my 2DS.
Oh, it has a pocket? What?
2DS.
That was so nice. It's very, very comfortable.
Oh, okay. Ow. This box is not friendly. Okay. Got him. It's not just styluses.
Ooh, mine. That looks comfy. Cool.
There's like a little pad. Look.
I like this.
So I can wipe down my screens when I want.
Ooh.
Okay, styluses. The one I will be using. I lost my styluses. Perfect. Okay. Here, Hannah, you can have this pink one.
Thank you.
And I got a blue one.
They fit.
I will save this one because it does match my DS.
Maybe the button was the button on there? I didn't look.
Okay.
Well, I got short no
Yeah.
button. Crap. Video. I know, such a smart child.
It has a zipper though.
That sucks.
Okay. Nice. Oh, I might be able to sync my phone into my Wii. Oh, yes, everybody. Hold on. I need to show them my red Wii. I got a red Wii. Hold up. Wii snow, Wii snow, Wii snow. Wii snow, Wii snow, Wii snow. Got to untie this stuff.
Mama. Ooh, I like that.
Okay, I got it.
So mysterious. Well, very funny.
And then the Foxy glasses. Not really into Foxy, but
Ooh, you got some big stuff.
then I got this.
Got those short. I didn't pay attention to that.
Wii snow. There he is.
Idiot. Oh well. Ooh, funny. Looky. This looks perfect.
There we go. Done.
That's very
What? I'm into Foxy glasses.
Foxy, really?
Foxy. Oh, come on, it's this thing? Yeah, we should have got some of those scissors. Oh well, I can slide it right off. I don't know who to give to, so I'm just gonna have them. I looked for the Bonnie ones, but I couldn't find them. Foxy glasses, swag. I look swag. Hi, Mom. I look swag. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah. Oh, nobody sees that you have no button. Yep.
All the stuff I got. I still need to show them my red beer. Let me just unplug it real quick. My red Wii. It also has Nintendo GameCube stuff. I traded my Nintendo GameCube for this thing and a game. It was like $11, but this thing was $50, mostly $100, but still, I'm gonna pay for the rest. And the Wii. It's a very nice one too. Stand. A lot of people have the stand. First time with the stand. Yes. Okay. Can plug this back in. Where'd the other one go? We need to plug this in. Where's the audio one? Where is it? Here it is. Power cord. This is the one I need the most. Well, all of them I need the most. I hate when it does it. When it does that, I has Mario Kart Wii. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, and yes, one more thing. I got a new selfie stick. It's black this time. Okay. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.